Deep in the fern-filled forests of eastern Australia, a remarkable performance unfolds. Not by an orchestra, but by a bird, the lyrebird. This shy, brown-feathered creature is nature's ultimate sound machine, a living recorder of its world. For those who listen, the forest fills with a symphony of sounds. Kookaburra calls, hawk cries, and finch twitters, all from a single bird. The lyrebird is a master mimic, able to reproduce sounds with such accuracy it can fool both birds and humans. Its repertoire is vast, capturing not just bird calls but the entire soundscape of its home. The lyrebird is a living library, archiving the forest's acoustic life. Its song is a tapestry of survival, courtship, and identity, shaped by evolution over millions of years. This bird's abilities challenge our understanding of animal communication and intelligence. To hear a lyrebird is to hear the forest itself, speaking through one of its most gifted inhabitants. The lyrebird stands as a testament to nature's creativity and complexity. Its song connects us to the wild heart of Australia and the wonders still waiting to be discovered. The lyrebird's mimicry is breathtaking, like a perfect sound recorder built into its throat. Using its sophisticated syrinx, it can sing two melodies at once, replicating the calls of over 20 bird species. Its imitations are so flawless they often fool the very birds being copied. But the lyrebird doesn't stop at birds. It mimics everything it hears: dogs barking, wallabies rustling, even buzzing bees. Human sounds too become part of its repertoire: axe chops, car engines, fire sirens. Most famously, lyrebirds have been recorded imitating camera shutters and even chainsaws, the very sound of their habitat's destruction. This haunting mimicry turns the lyrebird into a chronicler of both the natural and changing world. Its song is a living record, capturing the beauty and the threats of its environment. The lyrebird's ability to replay the soundscape makes it unique among birds. It is nature's sound machine, echoing the world around it with astonishing fidelity. In every performance, the lyrebird reminds us how closely our worlds are intertwined. The lyrebird's mimicry is a prime example of vocal learning, a rare skill in the animal kingdom. Unlike most animals, lyrebirds can learn and create new sounds throughout their lives. Young males spend years listening and practicing, perfecting their repertoire by mimicking adult males. The complexity of a male's song signals intelligence and fitness, making him more attractive to females. The lyrebird's brain is specially adapted for this task, with advanced regions for hearing, memory, and sound production. These birds don't just copy sounds, they arrange them into elaborate creative sequences. Their performances can last for hours, weaving together calls and noises into a seamless symphony. This suggests a level of creativity and intentionality beyond simple imitation. The lyrebird is not just a recorder, but a composer, transforming the sounds of its world into art. Its song is both a biological imperative and a breathtaking work of natural creativity. The male lyrebird's vocal performance peaks during the winter breeding season. He builds several circular mounds on the forest floor, his stage for a grand display. When a female approaches, he steps onto his mound and unleashes a medley of copied sounds: bird calls, frog croaks, even camera shutters. The performance is designed to impress, showcasing his memory and vocal prowess. As he sings, he fans his magnificent tail forward, creating a shimmering, silvery veil over his body. He dances, shaking his feathers in time, with his song, creating a mesmerizing multi-sensory show. If the female is impressed, she allows him to mate, then leaves to raise the chick alone. The male's energy is devoted entirely to perfecting his song and display. This intense focus has driven the evolution of the lyrebird's extraordinary talents. On the quiet forest floor, the lyrebird's courtship is one of nature's most astonishing one-bird shows. The lyrebird's song is legendary, but its appearance, especially the male's tail, is equally spectacular. The bird itself is modest in color, blending into the forest floor, but the male's tail is a marvel. Composed of 16 intricately designed feathers, the two outermost curve like a lyre, giving the bird its name. During courtship, he fans his tail forward, creating a shimmering canopy that frames his performance. The effect is breathtaking, a visual and auditory spectacle meant to overwhelm the senses of any watching female. After breeding season, the male sheds his tail feathers, regrowing them each year as a sign of health and vigor. Only the strongest males can afford such an extravagant display, making the tail a badge of survival. The lyrebird's plumage is as much a part of its artistry as its song. Lyrebirds inhabit the cool, damp forests of southeastern Australia, thriving in dense undergrowth and deep leaf litter. There are two species, the widespread Superb Lyrebird and the rare Albert's lyrebird. They spend their days foraging on the ground, scratching for insects, worms, and small invertebrates. This constant digging aerates the soil and speeds up decomposition, making lyrebirds vital gardeners of the forest. Shy and solitary, they rely on camouflage and swift running to evade predators. At night, they roost high in the trees, safe from danger. The health of lyrebird populations depends on large, undisturbed forests with rich understory. Protecting these habitats is essential for the survival of these remarkable birds and the ecosystems they support. The lyrebird's mimicry makes it a living sensor, reflecting the changes in its environment. As humans encroach on their forests, lyrebirds now incorporate the sounds of people and machines into their songs. Camera shutters, car alarms, and even chainsaws become part of their medleys. The imitation of chainsaws is especially haunting, a bird echoing the destruction of its own home. These performances are more than curiosities. They provide scientists with valuable data about environmental change. By analyzing lyrebird songs, researchers can track the presence of roads, logging, and tourism. The lyrebird's evolving song is a living record of our impact on the wild. It's a beautiful, complex echo and a warning of how closely our worlds are linked. The lyrebird's voice is now both a celebration and a call for caution. The lyrebird has fascinated scientists for over a century, challenging our ideas about animal intelligence and creativity. Early reports of its mimicry were met with disbelief, until sound recordings proved its genius. Pioneers like Neville Cayley spent years observing and documenting lyrebirds, revealing their astonishing abilities. Today, researchers use advanced audio analysis and GPS tracking to study their songs and movements. The lyrebird's imitations are so accurate, they're often indistinguishable from the original sounds. Its performances raise profound questions. Is it simply copying, or is it composing? The lyrebird remains a beautiful enigma, inspiring wonder and driving scientific discovery. The lyrebird is a treasure of Australia, a performer, historian, and symbol of wild forests. Its survival depends on the health of its habitat, threatened by land clearing, invasive predators, and climate-driven bushfires. Conservation means protecting large tracts of native forest, managing threats and restoring lost habitat. Public awareness is key. The lyrebird story inspires us to protect the natural world. Saving the lyrebird means saving entire ecosystems, from insects to towering trees. Its song reminds us that everything in the forest is connected. By ensuring future generations can hear the lyrebird's symphony, we preserve a vital piece of our planet's heritage. The lyrebird's voice is a call to wonder and a call to action.